How to add the slicer in Excel? Only two steps to be followed. First step is that you have to create that as a table. That is a prerequisite. And all I'm doing it, I'm just selecting the array and Control T. When you say Control T, it will ask for this prompt, that is create table, give OK. The table is being created now. Once it is done, now the next step is going to be very easy. All you have to do is you have to go to insert and add slicer. So this is a slicer, it came, but we are interested only on the experience, and we are interested only on gender, right? You can give OK, and both the things have come up here, right? You can just minimize and keep it here. Similarly, gender also I'm keeping it here. Now I'm selecting is that I'm selecting gender. For example, if I select M, that is male, and the male has come. So the female data has come. So in the female, let's say low, it has come. High and medium. And similarly, if you wanted to select both the values, you can just control and both the values being selected. And if you wanted to, again, from there, you wanted to select the high, both the values be selected. If you wanted to deselect, again, you can just control and select that value, it will get deselected. Right. Similarly, you can reset, you have more options to do, multi-select also you can do. I hope you find it useful. Thank you.